Do you have a ripped or damaged dollar bill that you want to get redeemed for a direct deposit? We're going to go through the process step by step, what you can do to get it redeemed.
Show me how, Jake.
First, go to Google and type in how to send in a ripped dollar bill. Click search, then scroll down until you reach the Bureau of Engraving and Printing.gov website with the title Mutilated Currency Redemption. Click it, then scroll all the way down of the Mutilated Currency Redemption page. Click on the Submit a Request option. Then on this web page, scroll again all the way to the bottom. Then click the blue button Form 5283. Press OK to the pop-up message. If you have an ad blocker, you need to click Always Allow for this website. Done. And then do it again, and then it should work. Then you will begin to fill out the form with your personal information, such as your first and last name, email address, phone number, and home address. Once finished with page 1, click Next. On page 2, you will write in your bank routing number, bank name, and account number of where the money will be deposited. And you'll write a description of what happened to the money, how it got damaged. I found it on the ground, and the total amount claimed will be, if it's a $20 bill, it'll be $20, and so forth. On the third page, you will scroll to the bottom and click I agree, and then click Submit. Then click the button in red, Print Claim. After printing, check your email for a receipt of your claim. Staple your claim together, and on the third page, sign and date it. Get an envelope and address it to the Bureau of Engraving and Printing, MCDOFM, Room 344A, P.O. Box 37048, Washington, D.C. 213. After, put the signed document, ripped money, into the envelope and put a stamp on it, and you're ready to mail it. Once they receive your mail, they will send you a confirmation email, and they'll give you an estimate time of how long it would take for them to process your money. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to watch another video, click on to the right. And consider subscribing for more quick video tutorials.